Hello viewers, I am Sangeeta, your maths teacher. Today in this video we are going to study about the angles formed by intersecting of transversal on parallel lines. In that some angles are like corresponding angles, alternate angles and also co-interior angles. These are the angles formed by the intersection of transversal on parallel lines. Let us study it one by one. Now, first of all, we are going to study here corresponding angles. Corresponding angles definition is here the angle on the same side of a transversal are known as corresponding angles if both lies either above or below the lines and they are always F shaped. You can see here F shaped. Let us see this definition with the example now to know it more easily. Now I'll draw here two parallel lines. First, to know more about the definition, it's very easy to understand with the example or diagrammatically. It is very easy now. I'll show you how it is. You can see here the red lines are parallel lines and here the black line is transversal which is intersecting these two lines. To show more detailedly I have drawn here the red lines parallel lines and one is the black line which is intersecting over these two parallel lines. It is a black, that is transversal, and the angles formed with the intersection of transversal on the parallel lines are like corresponding, alternate and co-interior. I have said you already. Now what are corresponding angles? These are the angles which are formed on the same side of the transversal. You can see here it is a transversal and it has two sides, on the right side and on the left side. But here on the same side of the transversal these corresponding angles are found. But what type and what shape they are found? That is F shaped. Let us find that angles which are F shaped here. To show you, I will highlight on that angles. Now you can see here one F shape, or some other color I will use. I will use here green color. Wait. Here you can see the F shape and you can have here one angle and here one angle, or else you can say that the angles which are facing on the same side, same face, like this angle is facing down and now this angle is also facing down. If I named these parallel lines and all the intersecting parts, I can easily show you which are those angles. Now if I name this angle, this parallel line as PQ and AB, now the transversal is E F G H. If I name like this, then which are the corresponding angles here are, first of all, angle QFG is equal to angle BGH. Now F and G are the corresponding angles. If I name those angles, QFG and BGH are both corresponding, and always when the transversal is intersecting the parallel lines, the corresponding angles will be equal to each other. Answer by seeing these figures or diagrams and find out the corresponding angles and comment me on the comment section. Okay, I want to tell you that when the parallel lines are there and the transversal is intersected, that time only corresponding angles will be equal. If the lines are not parallel and even though transversal is intersected, then we cannot say that corresponding angles are equal. That time corresponding angles will be not equal. For example, I'll show you with the diagram. If lines are not parallel, you can see here it very clearly. Here the angles, when even though if we are finding here F shape also, you can't have this angle and this angle are equal here. So that when the lines are not parallel and transversal when intersected through those non-parallel lines, then such formed angles in the F shape are not called as, are not equal. If even though they are formed corresponding angles, they are non-equal angles. Okay, when we can say that corresponding angles are equal are only the lines must be parallel. So you should find out that first the lines must be parallel and the transversal must intersect. That time the angles which are in the F shape, those are called as corresponding and they are equal and they are always found in the pairs. Okay, in this video I hope you understood very clearly about the corresponding angles, and in the next video we are going to learn about alternate angles. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching my channel. Keep watching and keep sharing. Don't forget to press the like button and bell button. Take care till then. Bye.